Excuse my halat. I have just come back from office, but I really needed to show you this. I am going home, and there was this mithai which my dad said is popular from Mumbai, which he used to have in his teenage years when his grandfather used to come to Mumbai for business. And I googled, and that shop still exists, and that mithai is still popular. I mean, talk about history. I mean, it gives me goosebumps. But anyway, so I quickly googled, and I'm leaving in 2 days time, but I quickly googled, found the store. Thankfully they deliver at home, and I did not have the time because of office and everything to go over there anyway. So the mithai is called Aflatun. It's by this shop, Suleiman Usman Mithai Wala. They have no other branch or anything, and I got their famous, this is, I think this is naan khatai, which is also famous, this naan khatai, and this is the Aflatun mithai. I will go home and I will try it, and I will let you. Let's go home. So I've always thought anybody who has lounge access, why would they go and sit at a Starbucks or McD? Like, you're getting free food at the lounge and free coffee and everything. But today, I realized myself, like, I wanted to have coffee. I've not been having coffee for a very long time. I've told you this before. So I wanted to have good coffee, and I know the lounge does not provide that. I mean, I don't know if they have good coffee when it comes to the paid bar and everything. So I ended up coming to Starbucks, and now I'm like, I have lounge access. I can get free food and coffee, but here I am having paid coffee, and it made me realize it's fine. People have their preferences. Most of them don't have lounge access, and those who do prefer food a certain way. But I'm very surprised even Starbucks does not have lactose free milk. They do not have any variety of milk. They do not have gluten free food. Starbucks is an international chain, and yeah, still they're very very behind me. Time to add this tuk tuk, because that's all I've been doing in Mumbai, to the ever growing collection. Hi guys, I'm back in Delhi and I love this feeling of driving. It's epic. I forgot my sunglasses like a noob because मैं भूल गई हूँ कि मैं पहले गाड़ी में रखती थी और अब नहीं है. So yeah, we're going to meet my friend today. Always Delhi's traffic never disappoints, no matter what time you're coming. कल मैं airport से भी आ रही थी and it was trafficked even on a weekday. So yay us. I just wanted to drive, तो मैंने बोला भाई मैं कहीं भी मिल लूँगी. So she decided कि let's go to Gurgaon because she lives in Gurgaon. So and I have no excuse, so why not? Let's see क्या बदला है क्या नहीं, and that's about it. Loving the golden hour light though. ऐसे आ रही है क्या? I know everybody says Mumbai ka traffic crazy, and it is crazy. I'm not saying it's not crazy, but have you even been to Delhi? यहाँ का ट्रैफिक देखा है? यहाँ हमेशा ही रहता है. मुंबई में जहाँ लग गया वहाँ लग गया, या कभी यू डोंट नो कब लग सकता है. बट यहाँ के ट्रैफिक देखो गाइस, फुल क्रेजी हो रही है, एंड यहाँ हर जगह जाम लगा रहता है. सो मुंबई इज नॉट अलोन. बैंगलोर भी क्रेजी है, सब कहते ही हैं. सो stop hyping Mumbai traffic so much.
Again, I forgot my shades. I've not put lipstick. What else? I'm going to meet my friends, and I mean, all of them could have met me when I was free for the last 2 days, but no, they decided to meet me today, so I'm going to meet them back to back. I had some work, so I got a tad bit delayed, but I assume that all my friends are always late, especially Deepak. तो वो चलता है, but आज वो time से पहुंच गया है. So let's see how that goes. And I am enjoying driving. I mean, यार पता नहीं यार, who has put this कीड़ा in me? I mean, I think this is the best thing to ever happen to me in adulthood, especially. To the independence you feel while driving it's nothing. It cannot be compared to anything else.
Oh my god, this feels so good. Oh my god, who is this guy? Mandatory things. This is Sudha Murthy, right?
Yes.
Excited kid. We brought books and we brought books for each other. So there you go.
And got a postcard.
Yeah, ये अंदर है मेरे bag में, ठीक है? You can give the postcard.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No, you give me the backpack.
Yeah.
I've also got another book. This was highly recommended by Deepak, who has not read this book, and but I trust his suggestion, and by Abhinav from Fakir Bookstore. It is this one. It's The Unbearable Lightness of Being, and this is going to be my next read. So fingers crossed.
I think हम गलत जगह आ गए हैं. We can't control ourselves over here. It's a stationery store. And it's so pretty.
Specs here.
Oh wow.
Really nice. No?
Okay, let's go. I need Vietnamese in my tummy now.
The khushbu of coffee is hitting me.
QX हो जाता है ये तो.
Everywhere I go, बारिश follows me.